If ever I had a video, would you dance in it?
It's currently 28 degrees on this beautiful Wednesday, the 7th of January 2026. As you can see, there's a little bit of rain around, but that doesn't mean you can't go for a walk. Remember the old song, singing in the rain and dancing in the rain? It's currently 9:30. Here at Cairns North. As I was saying before, it's just a beautiful day. There's, again, lots of places. You've got your people shooting with the high definition cameras, which gives you the same as what this does. If I zoomed in my iPhone, you got people out here looking for bait, but obviously not doing as good as what they want. See the rain over on the hill over the back there. It's always good to come down and relax. As you can see, the rain is actually heading away offshore. Muddy's as busy as usual. So it's quite breezy today. But it doesn't stop people leaving. The rain doesn't stop the kids coming out. Just remember all the water features were cleaned yesterday, so that was a good thing. So they were cleaning yesterday, but then they failed, and it's just getting larger and larger. Go Cairns Council. As this, you could have the rain in the background. You can see like having the rain, then having natural habitat, then having Cairns. How awesome would that be in this lovely photo? Be absolutely awesome to have that background of your photo. Northlands is still fully booked. They're going to be fully booked all the way up past Australia Day. And then you watch, it'll get quiet for a little bit. Then you've got the lovely aquariums beside, they're fully booked too. You can see let's see, a little bit of fresh got to that crab. So when the fresh water comes, sometimes they just kill the crab. G'day, how are you? It is such a beautiful day. Yeah, I forgot to bring the umbrella today, but that happens. A little bit of rain's never hurt anybody. Again, another contrast. You have the beautiful Cairns in the background, some rain. Take a screenshot. You can just see how amazing and wonderful it is out here today. Started to rain, so hopefully nothing will get on the lens. We've got our beautiful flags. All of a sudden the wind just dropped. The wind's dropped off, so it's sort of just before the rain comes. There's wind, and just as it's about to hit, the wind drops off. Pretty unique way of understanding how it rains here in Queensland, or in North Queensland. We have Pelican. He's going up to all his friends again. They must have disturbed him. They have one having a bath. with Cairns screenshot. You can take a screenshot, use magic eraser, and then paste your family or yourself or you and your partner into a photo of Cairns. Or you can take the screenshot now. Always good.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Alright, are you going to SeaWorld?
So here comes the rain. I can feel it a little bit more now. Let's see. It's quite light rain. Yeah, you're seeing my hand trying to deflect all the this. So since it's raining, I'm gonna cut our little walk short here. Hope you enjoyed today. It's gonna be fantastic. And yeah, I'm Graz Pepper. Don't forget to subscribe. And instead of the lagoon that's empty, I'll try and leave you with the pelicans grooming themselves. How cool is that, huh? Pelican Day. Do 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 do. That's how they stay nice, white and clean.